Expressing numbers in English. How do you express large numbers? Billion, million, thousand, hundred, 300 billion. Remember, not billions, thousands, or hundreds. How do you express hundreds? 225. Practice. How do you express thousands? 831,259. Practice. Millions. 298,356,000. Example: 10,476,329. Practice. How do you express decimals? 4.56. Practice. How do you express percentages? 39%. Practice. How do you express fractions? Read the top number as a cardinal number, followed by the ordinal number plus s, if plural. For example, 4/5. 4 is a cardinal number and 5th is an ordinal number plus s. How do you express fractions? 2/3. 1/2. This one is an exception. 3/2. Practice. How do you express speed? 100 miles per hour, mph, miles per hour. In Costa Rica, we use kilometers per hour, kph. Practice. How do you express weight? 80 kilograms, 35 pounds. Practice. How do you express telephone numbers? 616-331-6493. When you talk about numbers, in telephone numbers, the 0 is pronounced as O. Example: 714-825-4590. Practice.